5 Best Sketch-to-Image AI Rendering Tools in 2024. The market offers a plethora of options, each promising to bridge the gap between concept and creation in unique ways. From intuitive interfaces to advanced algorithmic finesse, these tools vary widely in functionality, accessibility, and artistic control. Featured at the top AI sketch-to-image rendering tool that best fits your artistic journey. Scribble to Art. Scribble to Art stands as an innovative platform that harnesses artificial intelligence to metamorphose rudimentary doodles into stunning pieces of art. Key features of Scribble to Art. Advanced AI algorithms that turn simple sketches into visually captivating art. A plethora of styles to choose from, including hyper-realistic, anime, 3D, and retro comic looks. Users can sketch within the app or upload and transform images from their device. An accessible interface that welcomes artists at any level of expertise. The results are consistently impressive, producing high-resolution artworks that capture the essence of the original sketches. At number 4. Sketch AI. It offers a revolutionary way to transform basic sketches into stunning stock photos or digital artwork, making it an indispensable tool for enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and professionals. In the creative industry, this AI app provides a seamless experience from sketch to showcase. Key features of Sketch AI. Direct sketch input using intuitive tools or by uploading images to the platform. Advanced AI processing for transforming sketches into photorealistic images or stylized art. Easy sharing and downloading of the final artwork. A diverse selection of brushes, colors, and filling tools for an enriched sketching experience. Presets to emulate the styles of famous artists and various artistic movements. Ability to generate endless variations of a sketch based on user prompts. Accessibility on mobile devices via the App Store, facilitating art creation on the go. Free to use with additional features available through in-app purchases. 3. Vizcom. It stands at the forefront of the design industry as a transformative AI-powered platform, poised to turn simple sketches into intricate, photorealistic renders within seconds. This platform extends its capabilities far beyond basic rendering, with innovative features like prompts, live render, 3D paint, and an assortment of drawing tools. Key features of Vizcom. Direct sketch input on the platform or upload of various forms of artwork. Quick AI processing for photorealistic image conversion. High-resolution 4K output for quality renders. Suite of creative tools including prompts, live render, 3D paint, and drawing tools. Enterprise-grade security with compliance standards for data protection. Cross-platform compatibility for accessibility on various devices. Collaboration features like teams, projects, and folders for shared workspaces. Designed to automate repetitive design tasks, saving up to 80% of the time. 2. Prome AI. This emerges as an innovative and user-friendly AI tool, purpose-built to breathe life into 3D models and sketches by rendering them into realistic visuals. This tool caters to a wide spectrum of design fields, including architecture, interior design, and product visualization, offering a streamlined approach to creating varied design alternatives. Key features of Prome AI. Transformation of 3D models or sketches into realistic visuals suitable for various design applications. No download or installation required. Accessible on computers and mobile phones. Realistic rendering with accurate material representation and lighting. Real-time processing for rapid visualization of design changes. Skylight simulation for enhanced lighting effects and shadows. Free unlimited image generation with optional high-resolution downloads for account holders. Premium membership option for access to high-quality renders. Erase and replace feature for easy corrections and refinements. Mobile accessibility for design work on the go. At number 1. OpenArt. It emerges as a leading AI sketch-to-image AI rendering tool, providing a versatile suite of tools designed to cater to the evolving needs of artists and designers. Its flagship feature, the sketch-to-image function, stands out for its ability to seamlessly convert rudimentary sketches into full-fledged, high-fidelity images. Key features of OpenArt. User-friendly upload and customization process for sketches. Optional descriptive input for enhanced AI understanding. Adjustable creativity settings to control artistic expression. Multiple art styles and color themes to choose from. Capability to generate up to 16 unique images per prompt. Free access to basic models with optional paid subscriptions. Additional tools for creative variations and stock image transformations.